Welcome to JK Technical Skill. Today we'll explore PVC doors, a stylish, durable and cost-effective solution for modern homes and offices. What is a PVC door? PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, is a high-quality synthetic material used for making lightweight yet strong doors. These doors are widely used in homes, offices and commercial spaces due to their durability and water resistance. Advantages of PVC doors. 1. Waterproof and termite-resistant. Unlike wooden doors, PVC doors are completely waterproof and do not attract termites, making them ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. 2. Lightweight and durable. These doors are much lighter than traditional wooden doors, yet they are strong and long-lasting. 3. Low maintenance. No need for polishing or painting. PVC doors do not warp, crack, or fade over time. 4. Cost-effective. Compared to wooden or metal doors, PVC doors are more affordable while offering a modern and stylish look. 5. Variety of designs. Available in different colors, patterns, and textures, PVC doors can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. Where to use PVC doors? PVC doors are perfect for bathrooms and washrooms, water-resistant and durable. Kitchen and storage rooms, easy to clean and maintain. Office cabins and interiors, lightweight and stylish designs. Installation and customization. PVC doors come in ready-made sizes, but you can also get them custom designed to fit your needs. They are easy to install and require minimal effort. Conclusion and call to action. If you're looking for a modern, affordable, and durable door solution, PVC doors are the best choice. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JK Technical Skills for more informative content. See you in the next video.